To get best Skims discount code coupon code, you have to search this on your browser and then click on the first website, that is Deal Drop. And this Deal Drop website, whenever you will click on any Q or promo code available here. So let me just show you that how you can find the best coupon codes for you. As you can see that any of the QR code is mentioning that it has been used last time. You can see that. And then to see the coupon code, simply click on it, add it to the Google Chrome, and then you will be able to see any of the promo codes available from this menu. Now head to the second website, that is couponfollow.com. This is also a genuine and the best website to find discount coupon for any website. Here is also 50%, 10% off, and many types of coupon codes. Click on Get Code option, copy the QR or promo code available from this menu, and then simply paste it on the list. So this is how you can actually do it. Now click on this third website, that is nog.com. You can refer any of the three websites I've shown in this video, and you can find your code. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.